So here's the view from the driver's seat. That first device is the GPS. And there's the camera. All the wires are just run up in a bundle, basically up in the same little notch that the rear view mirror's power is coming through right up in there. So I ran the rear camera up along here. You can just tuck it in. Kind of see it poking out right there. Let me get back in there. Up along the driver's side. Tucked it back through there. Ran across down into that. Again, coming through there. Sorry for the blurriness. And then on over there. They give you a lot of wire for the rear camera. I went ahead and dropped it down behind this piece and just tucked a big old wad of it back inside in there, back behind the seat. Probably had an extra 5 or 6 feet. But again, it's just ran all up in there behind the door gasket, and again, dropped down over there. So here it is from the passenger side. Again, for the power for the camera. Again, went up and over. Took off the pillar here. If you're not sure how to do that, there's a small little pinhole right in here. If you get like a dental pick that has a right angle to it, get in there, kind of twist it to the side, and it pulls off pretty easily. Just watch out. I scratched mine a little bit trying to get it in there, but just push it in and kind of turn the 90-degree pick tool to the side and just pull out. And then I think there's 2 10mm bolts. Pull those off and then it drops out. Ran the wire down through there. Pop this off really easily. It just comes off with some clips. And then the fuse box is right back in here. So here's the fuse box. Reach up in there. Pull it out. All right, and then I used the basically fuse taps. Yeah, so it was 36 for the ignition be on, and then the battery constant is on 29. And then you can see right there, that is the ground for all that fuse. I was able to pull that nut off a little bit and put in the ground for the camera right in there. Everything's working great. So when I pulled this off, in order to run the power lines down to that fuse box down there, I did pull this off. Again, it's just clips. I did pull the door gasket off and then popped this off and kind of pulled it outwards. It allowed me to access that ground nut easier. And there's the camera behind on the front side. Just to go on that side because that sensor for the mirror doesn't get blocked. But it's nice and tidy, so everything seems to be working well.